does kind of kick a little bit. Just a little bit.
Huh?
So just a little bit. I'd say like a pistol.
See, you're not doing it right.
Yeah, I see that. I'm aware.
Just pull forward. Yeah, yeah.
Damn, that shit clown like a motherfucker.
Hold it down.
Huh?
Hold it down.
I'm trying to, man. This is clowning like a bitch.
I can do a whole mag through.
I think that might be it, dog.
Yeah. Damn, dude, every time I shoot my guns, it does something fall off. What the fuck?
Oh my God, boy. That was a little bit better, right? There you go. Make sure it works. I don't even know where I'll fucking hit. I just quit looking after a while.
That was awesome.